You said 380 something, right?
For 382.
I got it set at 375, 46.
Okay, say when.
Want me to rearrange it for you?
You shooting?
376.
376?
Yep.
Yeah, you're good at 380.
You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, it's got to turn.
It's got his butt to you.
Yep.
Tell me when I'm looking for other deer first.
Oh, you're in my way, Jim.
Oh. You good?
Talk to me, Paul.
Doing it? There you go.
Yep.
Hit it.
Went right through it.
Got a leg, it's three-legged. Look at it with deers behind it.
There's
Two more behind it.
I can't hear you.
two more deer behind it. Where do you see them at, Jim?
Right in the field behind it, going in the woods.
In the field right here?
No, they just ran in the woods together.
Did I get it?
Yeah. He had a leg, it was running with three legs.
Did it drop?
No.
Oh, did it go in the woods?
Yeah.
God dog it.
I can't hear it.